Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 gap fill examples from today. These are live trades. These are real-time trades that were taken today for profit. In my course over at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach 2 specific gap trading strategies. The first is the morning gap trades, where you can find live examples on other videos on this YouTube channel. The second example is the gap fill strategy, where I look for anywhere from 3 to 5 stocks a day to play the gap fills. It's a very profitable, consistent strategy where you can literally find dozens of examples each and every day. I look for 3 to 5. I make a living trading gaps each and every day in the market. So the first one we're going to look at is Ralph Lauren. And what you can see here is I'm looking at a 60-minute chart. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach everything you need to know how to take advantage of the gap trading strategies, both of them, the morning gaps and gap fills. I teach you what time frames to use, what stocks to use, how to find the stocks, how to find the gaps, which ones are going to work the best, the whole 9 yards. I teach you everything you need to know. So right here, we're looking at a 60-minute chart of Ralph Lauren. It was a gap left open from the last trading day, which was last Friday. Today, the day I'm making this video, it happens to be Monday, February 22nd. So this gap was left open on Friday at 88.28. Real quick, let's go over to the 10-minute chart and let's see what happened. Immediately, the stock opened higher. So the stock opened above the gap left from Friday. The stock opened at 89.49. Remember, the gap from Friday was 88.28. And what happened in the first 10-minute candle of the day, in fact, we could even go down one step further and look at a 5-minute chart. So in the first couple of minutes of the day, the stock came down, touched that level. What was the low on that level? It was actually, the low was 88.28. So we hit the number to the T, and the stock took off to the upside. And right now, as I make this video, it's trading at $91.07. That's a tremendous gain just in the morning session of Monday morning. Now, also in my course, I teach you how to take a trade like this and how to make sure that you take some profit immediately and then make the rest of the trade risk-free and emotionless, so that you can take advantage of a stock that's going to go up $2, $3, $4 during the day, like this one is. So right now, I'm still in this trade. I have some of the positions still on, but there's no chance I could lose money on this trade because I've already pocketed some profit and I have a stop in the money. I teach you exactly how to do this in my course. Let's take a look at the next trade real quick, which is PVH is the ticker symbol. Now we're back on a 60-minute chart of PVH. And as you can see, here's the gap left open just a couple of trading days ago. Now let's drill down and go to a 5-minute chart again so you can see exactly what happened this morning. Now the stock opened up and traded right up through that level. The gap was at 76.37, represented by this purple line. Now what happened was the stock traded immediately in the first couple of minutes of the day. It hit a high of 76.58. and immediately backed off. In the next 5-minute candle alone, the stock was down at a low of 75.30. So as you can see, just in a matter of 5 minutes into the trade, you are already up $1 on the trade. You can take your profit, go about your business. Whatever you like to do is up to you, but that was $1 profit in just a couple of minutes. Second gap of the day, only a few minutes into the trading day. Now the third one I'll show you is Expedia. Ticker is EXPE. Now once again, we're looking at a 60-minute chart, and over here, you can see here that the stock had a gap left open by the prior trading day, and the price was 108.19, which is represented by the purple line once again. Now let's go over to the 10-minute or even the 5-minute chart, and we'll see exactly what happened. So 108.19 was the line drawn in from our 60-minute chart, and the stock opened up today, okay, and rushed right up to fill that gap, made a high of 108.24, just 5 cents out of the money, and in the next 5-minute candle of the day, it made a low of 105.63. That's over a $2.50 gain in a matter of minutes. All these 3 stocks I showed you today, everything was finished inside of the first 10 minutes of the day. These are 3 gap fill trades on a Monday morning. By a 9:45 in the morning, 15 minutes after the market opened, I was basically done for the day in terms of my daily goal of finding 3 to 5 gap trades a day. Of course, I'll find more, but the point is that this is a strategy where you can find literally dozens of these each and every day if you understand what you're looking for. Everything is explained in lazygaptrader.com. Come over, check out the course, take the course. It's an opportunity to make money in the market each and every day. I teach you how to do it. You can do it for yourself for the rest of your life. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Come check it out, folks. Thanks for tuning in.